Hey loves, so I wanted to do a video based off of my skincare routine. Um, I pretty much just start off with my Neutrogena Pore Refiner Exfoliator. And what I love about this is that it has the little exfoliating beads in it. So honestly, you don't even need a brush to exfoliate your face with this. You can just put the product all over your face and massage it, as so. But for me, I'm actually going to use the brush after I do this step because this was one of the weeks where my skin was being extra disrespectful. I mean, in texture and dry patches, it just wasn't acting right. So yeah, so I just put it all over my face, and then I'm going to also use my brush. And this was gifted to me, but you can get this brush literally, you guys, anywhere at this point. Like, you can get it at Walmart, you can get it at Ulta, you can get it at Sephora. You can get the expensive one, you can get the cheap one. Whichever you decide to get, they do all the same thing, to be honest. And so, yeah, I just go in for a few minutes and exfoliate in the areas that I know I get the dry patches on the lowest setting. This brush I have has a high setting where the brush spins as you scrub your face. And then it has a lower setting, and obviously that does the same thing. I use the lowest setting because I also have sensitive skin, which is another reason why I love this product, because it's strong enough to get the job done that I need, but sensitive enough not to mess with my skin. Okay, and so at this point, I'm just going to rinse off my face. I rinse off with cold water, by the way, and open my pores with warm water. And so here I'm just using my L'Oreal Clay de Mousse mask charcoal. This serves as a detox, at least that's what it says on the bottle. And it also helps out with your pores as well. And also evens your skin, as well as the Neutrogena product, if I didn't mention before. So with this, you have to activate the product with water, and then you put it all over your face. And I do this while my face is wet. And then I just massage it into my face until I feel satisfied, I guess. So I do this for a few minutes, and then I also let it sit on my face for a few minutes. I find with the Neutrogena exfoliator and with this, like, my face looks fresher. Like, I can't explain it. It just looks more like cleaner, looks brighter, more even. Like, it just, my skin tone looks more even. Like, I feel like it really takes care of the dark marks on my face. And again, I just really focus the product into my face. I really massage it in. And then once I'm done with all that and I let it sit, you'll look like this. And then I'm just going to rinse it off. Once I'm done rinsing it off, I pat dry my face. And I know this looks aggressive, you guys. I'm really not drying my face that hard. I'm just taking off all the liquid from my face. Now I go in with my pore refining toner with Neutrogena. It does the same exact thing, reduces your pores and things like that. And from what it says, you have to put this in your face in a circular motion. And I just go in with this and put it everywhere. I use this to close my pores after I do all of those steps. And then kind of just pat it in my face as well. So it just really gets in there into my pores. And once I'm done patting it in and I feel satisfied with, I will also go in with a moisturizer. And the moisturizer I'm using is the Jergens shea butter with vitamin E in it. And honestly, that just works for me. It keeps my face hydrated enough where I'm not oily, but like my skin soaks in the product. And then I just keep massaging that into my face until I feel satisfied. And then honestly, guys, that's pretty much it. I do this once a week when necessary, and I walk around barefaced and I'm good. And I'll do this before bed, in the morning, whichever or. And so, yeah, I'm all set here. If there's any suggestions that you guys want to see, just let me, or videos you want to see, just let me know down below. And bye, you guys.